Hello friends, I am your Nadim and you are watching Lolly Animal TV. We bring you the best daily animal videos that you will definitely like. Subscribe to our channel and get information about animals, then go for free. Let's start today's video. For what reason do puppies throw up? How can you help your dog? Puppies are small, like human children, and are known for being playful, caring, and loyal. They ingest anything with which they play, which irks them later, necessitating a call to the dog's veterinarian during the early hours. The habit of eating anything, whether intentionally or unintentionally, is a call to the disease. Puppy vomit is completely normal. Puppy vomiting is a normal sight and is frequently a harmless and effective defense against puppies eating things they shouldn't. The dog's vomiting must not be ignored. Call your vet directly to diagnose the reason behind their upset stomach. Multiple times, it is evident that poorly structured canine teeth lead to the dog's vomiting. The vet from their end diagnoses the root reason for their vomiting, but it is the owner's responsibility to take care of what they eat, how they live, what they need, and how they feel. Puppies and dogs, like humans, have emotions and experience various types of emotions, stress, and anxiety in their lives, which we, as their family members, must understand and help them get through. Everything related to dogs or puppies should be a matter of concern to you, and in emergency situations such as signs of vomiting or eating excessively, they must have their blood tested and x-rays taken as prescribed by your vet. Is it normal for puppies to throw up? Yes, it is normal for puppies to throw up until and unless they do not show up with severe symptoms which are easily evident. A puppy throwing up after eating is normally evident when they overeat grass or their food. If there is some intestinal obstruction or intestinal parasites, then they show serious symptoms, as per the veterinarian. When it comes to puppies, if you cannot even imagine or think about them with an upset stomach, vomiting, and regurgitation, it is absolutely normal for dogs or puppies to vomit. It is frequently caused by an excess of acid in the stomach, which causes nausea and causes people to vomit the high-fat, high-protein food that they may have consumed too quickly. Motion sickness may also be one of the possible causes of a vomiting dog. The puppies are believed to vomit yellow or green bile to clear their stomach. Yes, many of you might be unaware of the fact that dogs and puppies have motion sickness which makes them vomit. If high-rich food or foreign objects are consumed by them, then it naturally affects the esophagus, which in turn leads to bile reflux, acute vomiting, or diarrhea. Though it is uncommon for a healthy puppy to vomit, for certain common reasons, the abdominal pain due to human foods affects the GI tract, gastrointestinal tract, of dogs or puppies. The signs of sick puppies might include being lethargic, a bloated abdomen, yellow fluid, or bile in the vomit. According to veterinarians, if the puppy or dog is vomiting only once, then it is not a cause for concern. Even if the cause of the vomiting is unknown, a consultation with a vet immediately is a must. For example, if you know that your puppy ate some rich food last night and then the next day your puppy or dog vomits, it is nothing to be worried about if you are a long-term dog owner. However, if you are unsure of the causes of vomiting, then at least once you should make a call to your puppy's vet. What does it mean when a puppy throws up? When a pet puppy throws up or vomits, it is naturally understood that the puppy either has eaten rich human food, foreign objects or is unwell. The cause for concern remains unknown until a veterinarian is called for the health of the puppy. When you spot that a pet puppy or a dog is throwing up and the causes of vomiting or cause of stomach upset remain unknown, then it is of utmost importance to call your veterinarian. Your puppy or dog could have thrown up forcefully as it would be nagging or troubling them. A single, short burst of vomiting may not be serious. When the rich high food or something which is not edible is eaten by the pet puppy, they suffer serious health issues which differ depending on different situations. Chronic vomiting in dogs or puppies only occurs when there are some possible causes for the serious illness. Multiple times, in the early stages, the health starts to take a turn internally, affecting the esophagus, kidney, and the puppy's blood work. When puppies are born, they may not have a proper esophagus or its enlargement causes them to vomit, and in this case, the puppy's survival rate is only for 90 days. Megaesophagus is the name of the disease. Many times, it is evident that your puppy might look normal or active but vomits often. This could be due to an allergic reaction to certain foods they eat or even due to a parasitic infection. A few puppies are born with parvovirus with chronic symptoms such as fever, blood, loss of appetite, and abdominal bloating with pain. Despite the fact that parvovirus is a fatal disease, veterinarians have successfully made it a curable disease with a cure rate of 68 to 92%. Vomiting in dogs or puppies sometimes goes unknown, even when they are given good dog food and still go through weight loss. When contaminated water is consumed, it causes an upset stomach, nausea, and diarrhea. The puppy throws up yellow acid bile because of the irritated esophagus and GI tract. The puppy in turn starts showing certain signs such as chronic vomiting, signs of blood, signs of excessive anxiety, and denial of eating diet food. What causes puppies to throw up? There are different reasons for puppies throwing up. The main reasons are the unhealthy lifestyle, eating rich, spoiled foods, and foreign objects which internally damage the organs of puppies such as the esophagus, kidneys, and GI tracts. Many times, deep-chested vomiting is evident in puppies due to bloating. The first reason a dog vomits is due to the contents of their diet food. Depending upon the food, including overeating, grass, high-rich foods, and foreign objects create chronic health diseases related to the kidney, GI tract, and esophagus. They could suffer from pancreatitis, intestinal obstruction, and intestinal parasitic infections. Acute dog vomiting might be due to heat stroke, diet change, viral infection, ingestion of toxins or poisons, while chronic vomiting symptoms include abdominal pain, weight loss, poor diet, weakness, fever, and blood. Puppies are believed to lose the immunity passed on to them by their mothers after a time period of 6 weeks. So, they might be prone to diseases and infections frequently. Apart from what the puppy or dog ate, certain reasons for vomiting and regurgitation include anxiety and their psychological health, which is greatly affected by the environment in which they are living. Whether they are happy or not, this also affects puppies from acute to chronic diseases, among which puppy or dog vomiting is a serious related symptom. The terms vomiting and regurgitation are used synonymously, but that is not the case. Puppy or dog vomiting differs to a great extent from symptoms of regurgitation. A pet dog's vomiting is evident when they could have consumed fat-rich food, ingested rubber balls, stones, intestinal parasites, viral infection, motion sickness, stress, and anxiety. While regurgitation occurs when dogs overeat and suffer mostly from anxiety. Vomiting is an active process in dogs, while regurgitation is passive and its sign of occurrence is hours after the dog has eaten. What to do when a puppy throws up? When puppies vomit immediately after eating once or twice, it is not a sign of serious disease, but it is still a matter of concern and you must call your vet. If the dog vomits continuously within certain intervals and symptoms appear, then not a single minute must be wasted as it could cost the life of your pet. Puppies are small, like human children, and are known for their playful, caring, and loyal nature. They ingest anything with which they play, and later it troubles them, and a call to the dog's veterinarian is needed during the hours. The habit of eating anything, knowing or unknowingly, is a call for the disease. Multiple times, serious disease signs are ignored and not taken seriously. The veterinarian has suggested many home treatments, but the underlying health condition is necessary to be known for the treatment. In general, if one of your pet puppies has the habit of overeating compared to the other puppies, then you can separate the puppies while feeding, so avoid any dog or puppy competition. For a few days, they should be kept under observation and given timely food. If the symptoms persist for more than a day, then call your vet as it is time for a diagnosis. The treatment varies depending on the cause of the vomiting in a dog. Dietary changes and anti-nausea medications are two remedies for vomiting in dogs. The difficult cases frequently necessitate more intense therapy, such as hospital visits with intravenous drugs, as well as, in certain circumstances, surgery. Your pet's lives can be saved in a number of contexts, such as vomiting caused by the consumption of toxic food. After vomiting, they should be given water within intervals and light foods such as plain rice with boiled chicken without bones. It depends on the ailment of puppies and varies in each situation. Otherwise, a vet recommendation is of the utmost importance. It is recommended to give water within a few time intervals if the dog has reduced eating, as, without water, they might be dehydrated, creating a more complex situation for them. Keeping your puppy hydrated must be the utmost priority. The gums and teeth of the puppy must be checked frequently in case of anemia, bloat, or poison. Most vets prefer to give your puppies electrolytes. The veterinarian will most probably go through the x-rays and blood samples to determine the cause of the infection, or regurgitation. Many times, an ultrasound is also recommended by the vet for further treatment. Small meals with plain bland food are prescribed by the vet for the dog's puppies if they have an upset stomach due to any of the causes leading them to vomit often. Proper treatment is required, or else you will have to face everything you do not want to face. If you like the video, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you.